Hello Sumipers, in this video I will explain how you can use paparazzi app in the most easiest way. In end I will show you how to upload photo so your photo become the viral. So please watch till end. So let's begin. Go your app store and download the paparazzi app and simply make your account, and after make your account simply enter your login ID and the password and log in this app. Okay friends, now open the app and you can see here the features section. Okay friends, now click on this photo. Now I will tell you how you follow and share. Simply click on the follow and now you click on the share. You can share the app and download the photo. Okay friends, now scroll down, you also follow by click on the follow right option. Now you like the comment. Like option is work similar like the Facebook. In Facebook you can share also emojis. In this app you can also share the emojis, but right now you cannot comment under these photos, I think, like this. Now I will tell you how you can upload your original photo in this app so your photo will become viral. Okay friends, now simple click on photo section. Now click your photo like this and simple enter here tags, description, write here tags and text. I write here tags and the text and click on the upload your photo. Okay friends, like this. Click on the post. Now your photo will become visible on the features. Refresh this page and you can see your photo. Okay friends, now you can search here anyone from anywhere. Simply search, I will search my friend. It is, now see that he is become visible to me. From you can see your profile. Okay, now go to setting option. Now name, you change your name here. Username, you can change your username. Okay friends, now I will tell you the who following you. Simple click on the following and you can see who you are following. Okay, now you can see, now click on the followers. Here you can see who follow you. Okay, now click on blocked. Here you see who blocked you. Okay, now allow photo. That's it. Okay friends, wait a minute. Now here you can see pops form. Okay, enter pops. Now I will tell you one more secret option that no one tell you on this app. Okay friends, so I will tell you how you can share your own photo and download and delete. Simple go your profile and click on this photo and click on the share option and delete option like here. If you like my video, so click on like, subscribe and please click on the bell icon and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profane.